slice it a little bit. Yeah. $5, y'all. I think they were. Hey, classy people, welcome back to the channel. My husband and I, we went to Sam's Club today, do a little Christmas shopping. I want to show you all a few things that we got. Let's jump into it. Okay, so you can always run up to Sam's tomorrow and get you a 6-layer chocolate cake. This cake was priced $18.98. I think that's pretty good. That's a good size cake. And then they also had the red velvet. What was the red velvet? Same thing, $19.98. Oh, the red velvet was $1 more. I didn't realize that. Well, that's okay. That's a pretty good size cake. So I think that's going to be great. Desserts are out the way. We don't have to make anything. Had to get this for one of the grandbabies. Okay, so super cute. An actual baby is gonna play with this. You know, age appropriate. See, it says 2 and up. All right, now this was on sale for like $14, $15. I think that's a great deal for a cute little toy, and it makes all this noise to annoy their parent. Next, they had these like active wear sets that you can buy separately, $13.98 each. I thought this was nice for $13.98. Sam's always has some nice clothes. Okay, so it's got this little pocket here. I thought that was cute. $13.98, nice quality fabric. Yeah. So that is the top, and it's got pants as well. I didn't show you the picture of what the top is going to look like on. And this is the everyday active jogger. So the top is the full zip active hoodie, members mark. And you know what? We got him a extra large and an extra large. All right. So you do have drawstring in the pants. Oh, I got them folded so you can't even see the front. All right, so in a nutshell, you got a pocket. This is a pocket as well, like on the sides. And here is the bottom. So that's how the bottom is going to be. My husband has bought Members Mark items, like their work pants and things, and they do very well. So, yeah, I have no problem trying this activewear set. I think Alex is going to like it. My husband, Richard, is going to do this knife unboxing because Mr. Franklin decided he wanted to purchase these knives. And if you all are new to my channel, I'm going to just give you a little backstory about my husband, Richard. He likes to go to Sam's Club and purchase unplanned purchases. So, you know, he's the perfect customer for Sam's Club. Here you go, Richard. Let's show the knives. How much were the knives, Richard?
That's $25.
They were not $25, y'all. I think they were, what were they?
$149.
$149. Was that a sale price?
Yeah.
Let's get into the knives. All right, now, I did do a little, what's the problem?
They don't look right.
They don't look right. What do you mean?
Oh, we're going to pull out the box and let you think.
Well, hell, the box is open right here. Yeah. All right, so let them get a gander of what it's supposed to be. To contain the 3-inch paring knife, Santuki. What is that? What's a Santuki? A Santuki. So all of them are supposed to be self-sharpening. The chef's knife. Okay, the serrated utility knife, the bread knife, steak knives, and scissors. Oh, yeah. I'm curious to see what's going to happen. Let's pull this thing out. Now,
what we got here?
Let's see what we got.
I don't see the extra knives.
They in the box behind. Yeah, this darn thing gonna take up entirely too much space.
This is actually the knife sharpener here.
Yeah, it's gonna take up too much space.
Look how
Let's see.
beautiful that is.
Really?
Yes, it is.
Okay, I guess it's telling you where each piece goes. Okay,
Yes, it
okay.
Yeah.
I guess it going in there is what's going to sharpen it. Oh, I
Yeah,
see.
you
That's
see
the
blade?
little.
Yeah, see?
Yeah. Okay.
I'll look that
Mixed
for you.
reviews online. I'm just gonna go on and say there was some mixed
It was
reviews
some
online.
haters. It was some haters. It was just some haters. That brand right there, Google that brand. That brand is well, I don't know, well, it ain't actual brand, but just that part right there is.
That's the brand right there. So you're saying the knives that we already have is the same brand?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Okay. All
But
right.
which they're not bad knives. I mean,
No, they're
wherever
not
they
bad
are.
knives. They're in the drawer.
Wherever they are.
They're in the drawer.
Okay, wherever they are. But she have a tendency to make stuff disappear. If they feel like it's too crowded, I will come home one day from work and it won't be there.
Now, there was a gentleman online that did say these knives are sharp enough to cut a frozen piece of chicken. You ready?
I'm ready. So here we are. Here we have the, is it named?
Okay, which one is that? Oh, we need to look at the picture. Let's go back to the picture. Which one is that? Let's pull that one out. Don't cut yourself.
Oh, is it written on there?
No, it's not written on that. I gotta wash them. I'm gonna hand wash them.
Yeah, that's what it's supposed to
Okay,
be.
now one thing was said online about this right here, about it not being. What are they talking about? Somebody said online about it, like it not being flat and it moving on the counter. I don't know how the hell they figured that. How is that moving on the counter? How is that moving on the counter? What are they talking about? I don't know what they was talking about. I don't know what they meant about it moving on the counter. I don't see how that's moving.
Yeah.
Let's see. This one is the actually.
It's,
Don't cut yourself. That is this one right here. It's that one.
so that's the chef knife, right?
Mm-hmm.
Biggest one.
Yeah.
Look at that. Look at that, folks. Beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. So, the next knife is...
That must be the Santuki. Am I saying that right? Santuki knife?
Yeah, that's the Santuki knife.
Yeah.
So they should have been opened the other way.
I know, right?
Going that way. I don't like
Damn.
it.
Dangerous.
You hear that?
Let me see.
Is that the right one?
Watch your hand. Richard bought 2 pineapples. This is the bread knife. Okay, which one is that?
Yes, this one.
Oh, the paring knife. The serrated edge knife. Did they get to see it?
And these are steak knives here.
Now, somebody didn't have a good thing to say about the steak knives. I guess we'll be the testers of that.
Oh,
What you doing, Richard?
They're pretty sharp.
Why you doing that?
That's how you can fix it.
Oh, Lord have
Is it
mercy.
sharp or not? But now these don't have actual. Oh, they don't have.
I don't know
sharpeners
if
in
they're
there.
self-sharpening or not. No, we got to read the paper for that. It is because it's claiming it is. No, the steak knives don't say that. The steak knives are not saying that. So they must not have the mechanism inside to be self-sharpening. Okay, so the rest are steak knives.
And then you have your shear right here.
And let's take a look at the shears. All this, you've seen one steak knife. Yes, you've seen them all. Let's see what they're gonna do. Now, I do like me a pair of kitchen shears. I do have a pair of kitchen shears, but I think that's a great thing to have. Is some kitchen shears. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
That looks neat.
So, what do you think? Are we gonna wash one and cut the pineapple and see what's gonna happen?
Well, Chris will be doing that.
I doubt it.
Well, she's the house manager. House manager has been on vacation. It's been very chaotic around here without the housewife.
What?
House manager around here. So we're putting in applications for replacements.
What the hell? What?
We're putting in applications for replacements because she.
I'm on vacation.
We went in vacation without any notice.
I'm on vacation. I'm staying on vacation. Let's check and see how good it can
some
cut.
Things have to, you know, some jobs you have to put in your vacation and get stuff approved. But with this house manager, I don't know. She just.
I make my own rules.
You know, she determines when she's gonna do the vacation and not see the CEO.
I am the CEO.
So this has been very
Me.
This has been very chaotic for someone like myself. Yeah.
Let's see what it does to the pineapple. We'll be back. I do want to say this about the sharpening mechanism. It says that each knife type has its own labeled slot. We already know that. It's important to always place the knives in their correct slot to avoid potential damage to their sharp edge and the ceramic sharpening stone. So apparently those little pieces that's inside the slots is the sharpening stones. Store each knife in its appropriate slot by gently gliding the knive's spine top along the top of the slot until the handle meets the block surface. This safely stores the knives while preserving its sharp edge. The cutting surface is a major contributor to dulling knives. Avoid hard surfaces that can permanently dull a knife, like china, porcelain, formica, tile, and glass. We recommend bamboo or other wooden cutting boards. Alternatively, plastic boards can also be used. That's interesting. I did not know that. Did you know that?
Yes, I did.
He didn't know that, y'all. This is good knife cutting information here because I didn't know that. I do have a cutting board that's wooden, so we're going to use that to cut the pineapple. Now check this out. Check this out. The guy in the review said that he cut a frozen chicken. He said he cut frozen chicken. This is what it says. Avoid cutting frozen or very hard foods like bones because they can cause the cutting edge to bend or can damage the blade. Oh, well, that's what it says. For the best care and maintenance, they recommend hand washing and drying your premium knives. Do not store wet knives in the self-sharpening block. I think that should be common sense. They suggest avoiding the dishwasher, whose humid environment and corrosive chemicals can be damaging to the knives. Carefully wipe the blade clean after removing the knife from its self-sharpening slot for optimal cutting performance. Carefully wipe the blade clean after removing the knife from its self-sharpening slot. Got to remember that. All right, let's get into it. It does have a lifetime warranty, y'all. This product is warranted against defects in material and workmanship. The warranty includes conditions and limitations. For the full details, visit they have a website for you to visit, okay? We're going to register the product for exclusive benefits, and we got the information for returns, which, hell, if it don't do what it's supposed to do, it's going back to Sam's Club, okay? 100, how much was these knives?
$49.
How much?
$149.
$149. All right. So let's see what it's about to do with this good pineapple. See, this thing is taking up entirely too much space.
I think you put it over there. You hear me, Mama? Put it over there. perfect. Just right there. See? Just beautiful.
Really?
Matches the decor.
Matches the decor. Just look. Let's cut the pineapple. Okay, we're going to try out the knife. We have washed it. We watched a video about cutting a pineapple the proper way. So we're going to use this one. You ready, Richard?
Ready?
Hiya! You're not going to do that. First, we're going to cut the bottom off. Yeah, it's cutting through this pineapple pretty good. So that's great. Ooh.
Did the other knife do that?
You know what? I actually used a big knife. You can come a little closer so the classy ladies and gentlemen can get a good shot. Ready?
Yeah.
Hiya! Good. No, it is cutting this pineapple pretty freaking easy. Easy breezy. All right, next thing you're going to do, you are going to cut your pineapple in half. It's cutting through this pineapple like butter, boo. Now, get a close shot so they can see what we're supposed to be. I learned this off the video, okay? This is like the hard core of the pineapple, so you don't want that. And you see the fibers of the pineapple are running off. This is the pieces that you want to eat right here, where it's running this way. This part right here is the part you don't want to eat. So you're going to basically take it, and this is what she did, right?
Yeah.
She sliced it like that, and then she sliced this piece like that.
Wow,
and then I'm serious, like it really is. Oh, and we popping that little thing out right there. Okay. And then she took it and she sliced it in half, didn't she?
Yes,
and then she took it and she said 1 inch. Little things, not all the way through. We just, look at that. Look at that. Look at them knives, Rich and Lee. I like my new knives.
No.
Oh, I like my new knives, little bug. All right. Now what you're going to do, you're going to just separate the pineapple from the skin. So you're just going to slice it in a little bit. And then you're going to slice it in a little bit. And there you got you some pineapple, girl. Let's try it.
Oh, a lot of it.
Pineapple's good. Oh, pineapple's good. All right, let's carry on to the rest. Now, actually, that pineapple is not sweet as that Walmart pineapple I bought you the other day.
It really not?
No, no.
Oh, heck.
I'm just going to say. What she tell me to do? What she tell me to do? Slice it right here, right? No, no, no. Do this.
Yeah.
All right, just try this. This right here.
It's really cutting through, though.
Yeah, it's doing good.
Are you getting closer like to the thing?
Look, Richard. You do the other half. Let you do the other half. Yeah. All right, y'all got it? Y'all want to see me cut this, don't y'all? You want to do it like we do it in the infomercial. Commercials where you cut the thing and you be like, hi-ya! Y'all know y'all want to see that. We're not going to do it. All right, that's it, classy people. Thank y'all for coming in, and we'll see y'all in the next one. Remember, keep it classy. We love y'all. Bye-bye.